AK.garage. Yes, AK.garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me everywhere. AK.garage. Today I'm going to do a video about oxygen sensor. Yes, oxygen sensor. Or the symptoms of oxygen sensor, or if the oxygen sensor gone bad. What's the symptoms, or what should pop up to see that oxygen sensor is bad or is not good, it's not working properly? One is check light engine will come and the diagnose. Say check light engine, and then the two is they give you poor acceleration as a oxygen sensor, and then three is they get engine misfire. So engine will misfire if your oxygen sensor is no good. Engine will misfire, and sometimes the engine hesitates, yes, or stalling. So if your oxygen sensor is bad, another one is give you rough idle. It's rough idle. Mixing this sensor is not good, it's bad. Something that you get from is rough idle. That's it. So this this is the oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor connect to the exhaust manifold. Then it's use ECU, so it communicates with ECU. If it's bad, then it give you that symptoms, and then it's pop up. It calls the lights come on. Yes, the engine light to come on as it oxygen sensor. So oxygen sensor is not good. It's firing will come in. It's firing will come in. It will get poor acceleration, and then your engine will hesitate. Yes, the performance of the engine will change as an oxygen sensor. So this is it. The oxygen sensor is not good, it's bad. What it gives you is this. So you can see this. Yes, how it, where it connects this oxygen sensor, the manifold. So sometimes we have bank one, bank two. Some cars even use bank three. Yes, oxygen sensor. So is it. If this one goes wrong, it's bad. Engine misfire will come, engine light will come, yeah, and then the poor acceleration come. So to detect that, so later you see all this causes or symptoms, you have to put machine, diagnosing machine on it. You have to scan the car and diagnose it and see if this oxygen sensor is the cause. And started from that place. This is you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you move on to thank you.